Unit 7. Food. Inside the refrigerator. Do you want a well-organized refrigerator? Here are some suggestions. Keep fruit and vegetables in the drawers. Put milk, apple juice, and orange juice in the door rack. Eggs are safe in the egg container in the door. Always keep raw meat, poultry, and fish on the bottom shelf. Ice cream and frozen vegetables stay frozen in the freezer. 1. Frozen vegetables. 2. Frozen waffles. 3. Ice cream. 4. Ice tray. 5. Soda. 6. Margarine. 7. Mayonnaise. 8. Sour cream. 9. Iced tea. 10. Pickles. 11. Tofu. 12. Yogurt. 13. Syrup. 14. Cream. 15. Bottled water. 16. Cake. 17. Jam. 18. Salad. 19. Salad dressing. 20. Bacon. 21. Cold cuts. 22. Cheddar cheese. 23. Butter. 24. Swiss cheese. 25. Eggs. 26. Milk. 27. Orange juice. 28. Apple juice.